McAllen, Texas. After going up and down, we're picking up a load, and then they got canceled, and then we're picking up a load, and then they got canceled. We're out here picking up. I think we're picking up some watermelons. Got my brother right here. Hey, hold on, I'm opening the doors. Ya no más. So I spoke with my boss. My boss is the owner of these trucks. He's the owner of the truck and trailer. He also has a shop, and in the shop he works on other trucks. But basically, I spoke with him and I told him that I kind of want to learn how to do installation of the lights, run the wire and all that. So he just told me that whenever I get back home, I should be able to. He's gonna show us how, or he's gonna show me how to run the wire and install that stuff. Because I've done that with like subs and all that stuff on my truck or cars, but I've never done that on a semi. And since this truck is always on 24/7, I'm kind of scared that I'm gonna mess something up. So I think in the next video you guys will be able to see that. So yeah, and we got plans. Me and my wife, we might go to the aquarium. So stay tuned for that. And so yeah. So we pulled up to the spot and it's close to from midnight to 8 in the morning. In the verga. Go that way and then back up right here. Puro Laredo, Texas. Estamos aquí en el Mission Produce. We're right here at Mission Produce in Laredo, Texas. And can't get loaded till tomorrow. Well, technically today at 8 in the morning. So basically right here is the next morning. Well, we were there at midnight. 8 hours later, we're out. We're already loaded. We're on our way now. At that point, we started driving to LA. Earlier I had said that we were going to LA, and then I said never mind, we're actually going to Bakersfield. Well, we're actually going to LA. We're going to drop off in LA, and then from there I might not have some clips, I might not, depending, because we're just rushing home at this point. We just want to be home already. Been on the road for about 2 weeks. So yeah, at this point we're just on our way home, and right here we're leaving Laredo and we're starting heading towards Los Angeles. So finally we made it. We're out here in LA. We got all this. I don't even know what this is called. Malanga. But we're at the Chinese market, getting ready to unload. So let's get it unloaded and start heading home. So I just grabbed the drill, put it up right there, drilled the 2 holes, and then I passed the wire through the inside. And basically, in the middle, I drilled the hole to where in the middle where I can run the wire through. I'll let you guys know right now. So this is what I got. I got this wire, run it all through right there, under. Now I have it coming out through right there. So basically, I'm gonna start on this one. I have this little wire, put it through that hole, have it come out through here. Throw a little jam in the door, run it down there, straight through the seam of the little rubber seam. And then some way, somehow, or you know what, I can actually take that little thing off. I could take this off, run it through there, and take it directly right there. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Alrighty. Alright, now that I got the wire in there, I'm gonna feed it all out to the corner of that door jamb. Just 2 screws, one right here, and one right there. So just move that over and pass the wire through there. And that way, when it passes through there, you have all these wires already that exist, and you can just tuck it in right there. And then once it comes down here, pass it through the little hole down there, and just run it all the way inside where the other meets with that one. Hey, what's up, y'all? So I haven't even recorded. I don't even think I recorded the intro for the other video. But right now, the last thing I think I recorded was I was in Texas going to LA. Texas going to Bakersfield. We were in Bakersfield for a couple days. And then after that, we went to, I think we went out to Bakersfield. And after Bakersfield, we ended up getting a load. Someone picked up a load, and we ended up taking that load. And all right, so that's the load we got right now. Right now, we're taking this out to, I think it's Temple, Texas. After Temple, Texas, we're gonna head out to Houston or San Antonio, and then probably after that, we'll just go back home, spend more time with the fam. But this is where we're at. We're at a Dragoon. We're out in Dragoon. What is this? Arizona? Yeah. This is a little bit out of ways out of Tucson, heading out towards, leaving Tucson, right before Wilcox. This is where it's at. Just had to stop by, use the restroom. But this is probably like one of the nicest rest areas that I've stopped at. Right now, just making sure everything is good. So yeah, the last thing I recorded was, the last thing I had talked about the interior, a little bit on the truck. We got the window chops, but now something that we just added on is, what are they called, the dual revolutions, but I put red watermelons. This is what it's like. Ran that switch. In the other video, I already talked about how the wire got ran through right there, went in there, got that switch right there. Those are the 2 that we installed. Flip that switch up. Bam. Added these little red Freightliner rags. So yeah, let's make it out to San Antonio and see what's up. Oh, And I know that everybody was telling me that about the low quality on the camera. I got the mount right there for the GoPro. And I got the GoPro right here. Right now I just charged it, made space for the videos. So yeah, hopefully the recording should be more clear. So let's start heading out to Temple, Texas. Alright guys, so this is just a video. Basically, we're rolling through the night in El Paso and just getting some shots of the interior, how it looks. So yeah guys, I'm gonna end it right here and we'll pick it up later on in the next video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one.